What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dainelle, and thanks for keeping it real. That's on the back. I'm glad for that. My name is Dainelle for those who know, don't know, and want to know. Before we get started, I want to share this CC in my previous video. For those who watch the Spice New Good challenge, go and check it out with me and I. I have the link down in my description. And the new person, which is my sister, for those who don't know, she is Brittany. Our sting girl, we can call her any name.
Whoa! That's not my name.
Anyways. Oh, so for those who don't know, this challenge is called Song Association. I don't know if I call it where I got too much S. But yeah, Song Association.
What? Association.
Song Association.
Yeah,
Anyways, Song Association. Right? It's called Song Association. And what we do is get a word and the other person guess the word and support. We have 10 seconds on to make sure you have Sam and in the background this so say a little hi. Say
hi everyone.
Alright, so the ear racks on the no say about things. We don't know. Alright. Come over here, camera. I already la chat. First one no.
Brain.
Must be love on the brain by Rihanna Fraser.
What?
Time it, can really?
Take
a breath. Take it deep.
You know
Count your steps.
Next song.
Pray for me.
Next
Take this love and see you are all I need. Take my breath away.
What? I think you're singing it with the wrong tune.
Miss that. Take my breath.
Change.
Oh, I must be changing. My heart can't
Change me, oh God. No.
Hey, my cousin long the side. Go give my feature. Over. It's over and done, and the hardship on inside.
What next time? Mama.
Mama, no. Just hold on to Mama's hands and never let it go. Boys, you sing the boys to men for me now. Oh, Mama, you know I love you.
You're still using the wrong tone. What
You're
the hell?
Mama, Mama, you're the queen of my heart. Baby. Oh, like baby. You laugh.
No, like I'm just looking at you guys.
I'm just a baby.
Truth.
Tell me the truth. Is it gonna be me? Options are few, but still I pray.
No, I'm trying to pray.
What you doing? Tasha Cubs, nobody say nothing about me.
Faith.
You did not create me to worry. So the feel pattern there. Guys, the camera not stop job. That's no vibes. That's maybe a laugh after.
Bangles. What? Bangles.
Bangles, by Dainelle Davis. I don't know where you get that from.
Bangles.
That deep. Look. How bad?
More.
Like a big toy.
Look at me now. Oh,
Look at me now. Look at me.
I'm getting paper.
Look at me.
My next look down there is there now. Look.
eye.
Iowa.
Her eyes.
This a eye?
Is it?
Letter I.
And January, your one is I will always love my shot number two. Love you.
Okay, yeah, with me.
Mama subscriber feel like me can sing.
You.
You are the reason. I don't wanna no lyrics, but they know the song though. Okay.
What?
I won't find no more. I won't find no more.
You know that song?
'Cause you are the reason.
By Caleb Scott.
Who that?
Come on, auntie. Get hold
Oh,
of
the man
yourself.
sing.
Wait. What she said? I.
Blessing.
Blessing. Way up, I feel blessed.
Bless
Way up, I feel blessed.
Oh,
Me don't know that one yet.
bless me indeed, Lord. My
One next word now, no? To you.
I feel blessed.
Praise.
And praise the Lord.
No song not gonna
Oh, my soul.
When you pick up the one there.
Rise from the
And
inside.
those gang up on me, no?
From the inside.
I'm like, oh,
Sunday, don't make it miss a Sunday.
One expression.
Worship.
You out for me or what?
I worship you because of who you are. I give. You don't know that?
Me don't know
No,
about
you
that.
clueless.
Because of who you are, I give you praise.
So I know where the worship come
I
from.
worship you.
Honestly,
You're lucky me know so worship. Clearly know
The worship still don't know where your song.
Ready.
Ready or not, here I come.
I'm ready.
So baby, lay on back. Ready to the song?
No.
I think you go sing it, Nicki Minaj.
Ready na din na. Oh, I'm getting ready. Ready for overflow.
Beach house, we know
Ready na din na fair verse.
Because I got a pal the Red Sea, multi-million-dollar commercial Pepsi from
Ready na din na wala na song. The
I
Tasha
got inside the
featuring
Lord
Nicki
defense me.
Minaj.
I watch him more fall from going against me. Guess me and my angel shot the devil up. Well, you want shot him? I left it up. I left it up twice. I left it up 3 times. He tapped them and told us. Me I cut that.
Angels.
I need an angel.
Trap.
Bees in the trap.
So you just
Bees
sing
in the
it?
trap. Can't tell me nothing. Bees in the trap.
Up.
Up and away.
What that song do with them in
Burn
the
it
water?
up.
Box, come here, Christian.
I wanna run over.
Yeah, that one.
Unthinkable.
What?
No, I sang this. Unthinkable, my song.
To where your son?
I sang this, man. I'm
To where your
doing.
son?
My song this, in people. Unthinkable. Wait, go again.
Me know unbreakable now, but I was with him.
Oh my God.
You took it from Unthinkable.
Which song is this?
Let's go see them. I must start them something.
You say keep it real.
Now your friends are gonna know you.
I want to edit. I can't edit it.
Shh, but
Pills.
pills and potions. Nobody.
Yes.
I still love so I guess I still love us.
Next word, yeah, come can't take it.
I still not love nobody. But in Pitney.
Get in.
What?
Get in?
I'm getting ready.
I don't.
Ready for
This hard I'm eating.
Cause like your brain literally freeze.
Why, Kelly?
What else?
Getting.
Until next word. Me done tell me what getting on
Waiting on the word like waiting on.
Praise.
It's a
Until
praise
praise already.
Waiting.
Dance.
I wanna dance with somebody.
Okay.
I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me.
Have any other dance?
You know what I'm saying? What? I don't remember which song we dance, man, but you know from last night.
Sick.
Saying tired of being mistreated. Me no know me I sing me a remix it.
And you said I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of you.
This is just hard, man. This is just
Hate.
Eh?
What? Hate.
I hate it. I love
You know what you're talking
See how Khalil get bored.
hate it. I hate it.
I hate that I love you so much.
Hate that I
What?
hate that I love you.
Independent.
Shoot.
Independent. No.
Another one there.
Oh my god.
Another one there.
We know so independent.
Shoot. Independent.
Dum, 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 dum.
No.
Oh, independent go with the woman.
Wow. Are the independent with a me?
Oh, me know so with me, but say word. Oh, yeah.
Miss Independent.
Won't you come and spend a little time?
Whoa, get an ear on me, I say.
Goodbye.
Goodbye's the saddest word. Ain't too good at goodbyes.
It's too hard
Lazy.
to say goodbye.
Lazy.
Lazy.
Today I don't feel like doing
Lazy, you know the song?
anything.
What you know the
No.
word? What, you know,
No.
No lazy not in this song.
Lazy. What lazy tone song?
The lazy song the man when you sing, man. Shoot, me can't remember it.
Lazy?
She know it, but she don't know.
Ah, she picture me.
Happy and near song you over here.
Lazy love.
Yeah.
Oh, you from know
Oh,
that?
that
I gotta go.
Come in,
but
I
it's possible.
Oh, you reach over there so you can
Where
remember.
you from when me?
Sleep, yeah, baby.
Yeah.
That's a good story, I
What
say.
did
Yeah.
Why song? Don't me share.
Okay, I don't know what now.
No more
This is a family channel.
What?
Eh, what? What's love got to do with it? What is love?
Yeah, but mine
If you're not here with me, what's
You know, that's the
love
actual song
got
that she sings, though.
Bonky jam.
Okay, so I don't know this.
Obviously.
She's just a neutral
You've been
person
under
right
the-
here.
I guess, but that's come out.
Closer.
Closer.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover. I know,
You know what
closer.
I sing closer than a brother.
Closer to you.
Closer than a brother, but you sing it. Me remember the tune.
Can I get close to you? Can I get close? Closer
I
to
see
you.
some of them are very tune.
My Jesus is
Kiss her.
I've been on the web. Yeah. You have off me, that's why I can't catch it.
I kissed the.
No, the word kiss her, not kiss.
Good kiss her. Oh, go again. That's Jonas, by the Jonas people, them kiss her, man.
No, Usher. Kiss her, kiss her. You know that song that I'm saying, a dirty version.
Don't be around the world and
No
don't
kiss a
tell
lot of
her
girls,
that
but I'm guessing that it's you.
Wow, we did forget that.
Hello, it's not natural shit. When I get here, when I get you higher.
Let me. Someone can use two words.
One song. I hope it's not a new song this song come from now.
Let me.
Let me.
Let
Now
me
let
what?
me love you, and I will love you
Mario.
until you love.
That's not Mario.
It sounds something close to
Shell up on
And let me love you, yeah.
come next
On
time.
different, let me love you, she
Hello, we not fight over this. I'll take you there. Oh.
Club.
In the club, when I get his ass
One
too.
minute, start to sing one song about it.
Club tonight.
Okay, the time.
So I put my hands on the ring.
Incomplete. Girl.
Get lost.
I would cheer you about them, except me,
Until I
man.
can't come back in the 2020, no, I'm tired of the 90s.
Pain.
She says something about trick or
No more pain and suffering.
No pain,
more pain.
no pain, no gain.
Mary J. Blige.
Oh my God, that is a
Rock.
You are my rock, baby, you're the truth. You are
There's
my
some Brit, where have you been?
I guess
Under the rock.
God. To know that I'm still stuck on the words of like I'm still searching for song.
Come guys. One officer, how you feel? Whoa, sorry. How you feel?
I'm stressed out.
How you feel?
I feel rough. Like, what do you think?
You come in at the camera so
Like,
it was
way
come close back.
easy.
But you think
Exactly.
that could be like much more easier than that? Like,
So-
you know?
And then you normally know much things. That's no one
That
that
yes,
sing the
sir.
song them out tune
And I pay Christians.
No, but the thing is, and the Tucci picking the song them out to like she dig the word them.
Me never said discuss how no feel no more. Me say let's close it off. Anyways, guys, this was the end of the video. I hope you found it very fascinating with our stupid selves. Anyways, please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend.